guys, so welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day. So I kind of slipped off a little bit. I've been eating more junk food than I normally do the past couple days, and I don't feel very good. I was feeling really great, then it kind of slipped off, and we went to the Veg Fest in Lancaster, and then went out with some family members at their house and visited, and yeah, it just didn't eat as healthy as I needed to. And I'm feeling really tired. My hands are kind of swollen from the higher salt, which happens to me a lot. Yeah, I just don't feel that good. So I'm going to be eating really, really good today to get kind of back on track. Which I know will take less than a day probably before I start feeling high energy again, which is so awesome. Which is so awesome when it comes to the high carb diet. So anyway, I'm going to be starting on breakfast right now, and then drinking some water and getting my day started. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you at breakfast. So for breakfast today, I am having some Raisin Bran and some almond milk. So just working on lunch for today. In my air fryer, I actually have some potatoes with a little bit of smoky turmeric, and some dill and a little bit of salt. So here is lunch for today. It's 4 potatoes. So for dipping sauce, I have some ketchup, mustard, and barbecue sauce. So for a snack today, I'm having some flax milk. I got it at the Lancaster Vegetarian Festival. And then 2 bananas. So here's supper. Smells amazing. Really looking forward to eating this. So I'll see you guys later. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. I feel really great. Energy is getting back. It's not 100% there yet, but it's getting back to what it was a couple days ago. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet already. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.